today is too much hot, and in hot season there is a light problem. We are not getting the proper connection, and the fans are not running. So today we are here. The students have come outside for the conversation. So today there is a two little students. What's your name, beta?
My name is Kashif Khan.
Kashif Khan. Where are you from, Kashif Khan?
I am from Karamdi.
You are from Karamdi. Okay, why you have come here outside today? Outside, why have you come from your coaching here?
There are light
Too much
problem.
light problem,
Yes, sir.
and there is so much hard. That's why you come here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so both are you talking to each other?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just tell me in which class do you read?
I read in class 4th.
In class 4th. Okay, and which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English.
Yes, sir.
You like most English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's your name, beta?
My name is Ayan Khan.
Ayan Khan. What's your school name?
My school name is Madinatul Ulum.
Madinatul Ulum. You are from Madarsa.
Yes, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड कंटिन्यू. आइए हम थोड़ा सा कैमरामैन कम हियर यहाँ आके देखते हैं. हमारे कुछ फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पर खड़े हुए हैं. व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Saad Ahmed Khan.
Saad Ahmed Khan. Where are you from?
My from is Karamdi.
You are from Karamdi. Okay. What is your district name?
My district name is
हमारे tell me name your beta.
My name is Chandramoria.
Chandragupt Maurya. Why today you have come here?
Because there was a light problem.
There was a light problem. So that's why you have come here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you feel after coming here outside?
Very fantastic.
Very fantastic. You feel?
Yeah.
ये छोटे छोटे नमूने are there. What's your name?
My name is Nasir Hussain.
Nasir Hussain. In which class do you read?
I read in class 4th.
Class 4. Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject English.
English. Okay. Do you know math? Math?
No.
No, you don't know math. Which is very tough subject in your class?
Math.
Maths very tough.
Yes.
Menas Fatma, where are you from?
I am from Karamdi.
In which class do you read?
I read in class 5th.
Class 5. Which is your what is your favorite food?
My favorite food water ball.
And what's your favorite game?
My favorite game Kho Kho.
Cook.